This figure was among the few that still had its head when it was excavated. Researchers say it might have been an acrobat serving at the imperial palace of the Qin emperor. Unlike other figures, he's wearing a vest-like clothing on his upper body, with geometric patterns and more than 100 studs as decorations. Experts believe this is evidence that he was a leading artist in the group.
He was special because of the color and pattern that remains on the costume, which was exquisite. So we believe his role was to present sophisticated skills.
It was the only excavated figure that was lying on his back, capturing the moment when the performer is ready to jump.
The gesture was unexpected. It took a lot of materials to consolidate the body to ensure its original gesture, which was hard to create in the Qin Dynasty.
More than 30 clay figures have been found in the acrobat pit, although most of their heads were lost. Experts are still trying to restore the performing troupe. The excavation of the acrobatic figures presents a new category among the terracotta warriors, indicating there's much more to explore about the aesthetics and entertainment of ancient China.